Welcome. We are visiting mathematical domains of Ganita Upsutra. There are 13 Ganita Upsutras. Each of these 13 Upsutras is a complete mathematical domain in itself. Today, let us visit Upsutra 5, Veshtanam. The formulation Veshtanam is a composition of 8 letters and its TCV value is 41. On the computer screen is a tabulation of this TC value of 8 letters, waste the num. Now, let us visit placement of Upsutra 5 in the integrated format of sutras together. Ganita Sutras make a complete mathematical domain in itself, and as such, organization format of Ganita Sutra is a distinct format. Likewise, Ganita Upsutra as well make a distinct mathematical domain. Accordingly, the format of Ganita Sutra is of distinct features. However, the Ganita Sutras and Ganita Upsutras together constitute integrated mathematical text. The integrated format of this integrated text of 16 sutras and 13 sutras takes Ganita Upsutra 5 of placement in between Ganita Sutra 5 Shunyam Same Samuche and Ganita Sutra 6 Rupe Shunyamanya. The gap between the mathematical domains of Ganita Sutra Shunyam Same Samuche and Ganita Sutra 6 and Rupe Shunya Anyat bridged by Ganita Upsutra 5 Veshtanam. To have full insight and proper enlightenment about this placement of Sutra 5 in between Ganita Sutra 5 and Ganita Sutra 6, let us have a visit to the mathematical domain of Ganita Sutra 5, Shunyam Same Samuche, and Ganita Sutra 6, Anurupe Shunyam Anyat. These two sutras are about two distinct features of value 0, Shunyam. Shunyam is of different features in different domains. We know point without length, 0 in one space. Likewise, length without area is of 0 area in two space. So point Shunyam in one space, line is Shunyam in two space. The point which is Shunyam in one space is also Shunyam in two space as well. So point has 0 value in one space and point has 0 value in two space are two distinct features value 0. Likewise, line as of 0 area and line as of 0 volume are two distinct 0 value. This way, we shall have a pause and be face to face with this multi-layered, compactified features of value 0. Shunyam is of distinct formats in distinct spaces, zero as zero length in one space and zero as zero area in two space, are two distinct zeros. This distinctiveness is to be appreciated. Now, it is this distinctiveness which is leading us to oscullators, Vestanam, Upsutra 5, Vestanam, oscullators, bridging is being supplied here by Upsutra 5. Upsutra 5 as oscullators domain is providing bridging for the gap between the mathematical domains of Ganita Sutra 5 and Ganita Sutra 6. Let us have a pass. Let us sit comfortably. Let us be face to face with this feature of origin in its unmanifest form, with its placement at the center, makes a point like any other point of a domain. The center of a square, a surface, is a point like any other point on the surface. Center of the solid cube is a point like any other point of the domain. However, center as a seat of origin is a zero value of higher dimensional setup. Origin is of 1 degree higher than that of the domain. It is this feature which deserves to be comprehended well. By imbibing it, we will be face to face with the applied values domain of Upsutra 5, Vestanam. Calculator's role will be appreciated by reaching at the knots at the origin or at the origin seat. Because of oscullators, there happens knots, knots enveloped by different layers. These knots of different layers, as the oscullators would be, is going to be mathematical domain of Ganita Upsutra 5. It is this mathematical domain in terms of which we will be bridging the gap between Shunyam Same Samuche, mathematical domain, and Narupe Shunyam Anyat. Now let us see that the formulation Vestanam, which is of TC value 41, is of 10 folds. On the computer screen is the tabulation of these 10 folds of TC value of formulation Vestanam. These values, as are depicted in red color, are 1, 2, 9, 41, 396, 221, 86, 295, and 631, which together make the summation value 1830. Let us have a pass. Value 1830 is parallel with 1830 dates of Sanvastar 5 years Yuga of 36 days a year. This makes Jyotir Vedang. This will help us have appreciation as to how the mathematical domain of Upsutra 5 is going to have a reach of Sanvastar Yuga timeline. It is this reach of Ganita Upsutra-5 to the Jyotir Vedang, which help us appreciate the potentialities of the mathematical domains of Ganita and Upsutra a step ahead. Now, if we visit Ayurveda Sahita, Chark Sahita, then we will be appreciating as to how the disease gulm within the body is of mathematical domain of Vestanam. Mathematical domain of Ganita Upsutra 5 is the mathematical domain of disease treatment of Ayurveda in chapter 5, Chikitsa Sthan of Charak Sahita. On the one hand, we have seen that the mathematical domain of Ganita Sutra 5 is of reach of Jyotirvigyan. Now here we have seen that mathematical domain of Ganita Sutra 5 is of applied values of the Ayurveda. We, the students of Vedic mathematics, we, the students of Vedic systems, shall visit further as to how the organization of Chark Samhita as 8 sthanam, Sutra sthan, Nidan sthan, Viman sthan, Sharir sthan, Indriya sthan, Chikitsa sthan, Kalp sthan and Siddhi sthan is of values of 7 meters Gayatri, Ushanik, Anushtup, Briti, Pankti, Tristup, Jagati. It will be a blissful exercise to reach at TC values of the 8 sthanam of Charak Sahita as well as the value of the 7 meters of formulations. The Sutra sthanams lead to value 155 while the meters spectra leads to value 153. It will be blissful to take note that the difference value 2 is parallel with the difference value 2 for domain dimension format. As such, we, the students of mathematics and the students of Vedic systems, shall be face to face with this integrated applied values spectra of Ganita Sutra, Ganita Upsutra. Like that, we shall be visiting mathematical domains of all 13 Ganita Sutras, and then we will be having a comprehensive view of the mathematical domain of Ganita Upsutras in reference to the mathematical domain of Ganita Sutra. Thank you very much.